You are not gonna play me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I bring you another part 3 to my mini series of Glam AF makeup, but this one has a twist of fall in it. This is our first fall video, you guys. Yay! But let's get on with the video. Today I'm switching it up for you guys. I'm gonna start with my eyes first. I'm gonna go in with the Flower Beauty concealer in the shade medium and prime my eyes before we start. There's this concealer here. I didn't show it, but this concealer here. You guys know I'm obsessed with that concealer. Dabble in between the Cute AF ColourPop palette and the Take Me Home ColourPop palette. ColourPop palette. I feel like I was saying that wrong. This is a Cute AF and the name is like so accurate. Like, oh, look at that. Let me zoom you guys in just a little bit. That's how this is in. Let me see. A little bit more. Right there. Is that better, you guys? I feel like that's better. I'm gonna tap into the Cute AF palette. This is called French Kiss right here. This one is called French Kiss. Lately I've been liking to go in with yellow shades because I feel like it looks so fallish and so cute and so sweet. With this shade, I'm gonna put that all over the crease, but a little bit lower than the yellow shade. I'm gonna go in with Chauffeur. Is that what that says? Chauffeur, which is this one right here. Next to that yellow one that we dipped into. We're gonna put that into the outer corners. And bring it in just a little bit. I feel like it was missing something, a little bit more darkness. I'm just putting that in my outer corner like this and bringing it in just a little bit. I'm gonna switch brushes to a more taper, smaller brush. This is a Morphe M433 brush, and again I'm going in with Mischief. So we're pretty much done with the eyeshadows. Now we're gonna go in with the glitter. I'm so excited. Ooh, I have 2 glitters here, and these are from, well, these are Diamond Dazzlers from Gerard Cosmetics. I have one in Radiant, which is this pretty gold one right here, and then I have Brilliant, which is this like rose gold. I think I'm going with Radiant. I'm gonna go in with the NYX glitter primer, and I'm gonna put that right here where we didn't apply any eyeshadow. And I'm gonna go in with a Just Up concealer brush. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put that where I put the glue. Do you guys see that? The brush isn't really picking up the glitter how I wanted to, so I'm just gonna go in with my finger. I'm just gonna put it there, and then I'm gonna clean it up with a brush. Oh my gosh, yes. Wow. I'm gonna go in with the brush with my Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just gonna clean that up right there. This has no, I didn't dip it into anything. This doesn't have product on it. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so pretty. Good thing I went in with the eyes first, because do you see the glitter fall out? I mean, it is glitter, so. Okay, and we're gonna do the same to the other eye. So I'm back, the wings are on. One is yeah, they're not even, but we're gonna overlook that. But I am going to, oh, the eyeliner that I used was it's new for me. I don't know if it's new in general, but it's the Makeup Revolution eyeliner pen. This eyeliner went over this glitter like a champ. And then I did go over a little bit because I wanted it a little bit darker with the Gerard Cosmetics Eternal eyeliner gel, which is, or eyeliner. Is this a gel? No, this is not a gel. This is just a liquid eyeliner. There's this little one right here. This is really good. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I am back with a full beat face and I went ahead and applied my mascara. I used the Essence False Lashes Mascara, which is this one right here. And I also use the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Curl and Hold Mascara with micro styling waxes, which is this one right here. For my under eye, I put my under eye. For my waterline, no, for my lash line, what is wrong with me? I went in with the shade Cake Batter, which is this shade right here. And then I also went in with the shade Mischief, which is this shade right here, and we all know that I can't pronounce it, so yeah. In my waterline, I applied the Essence Long Lasting Gel Pencil in the shade Hot Chocolate, which is this one right here, to make my eyes look a little bit more smoky and my eye color stand out a bit more. And now we are going to finish this video by adding this beautiful lip color, and this is the NYX Lip Tease lip lacquer in the shade Camel. I like the fact that this wand holds product really good and that you don't have to dip, you know, after every swipe of the in the lipstick. So this is the lip color, you guys. I love this lip. It's like orangey brown earthy shades and I love it so much. I love it. This is the final look. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, to click that notification bell, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be in the lookout for more mini series tutorials. Bye. I need to get all the shades because these are amazing. Like seriously, these are amazing. Look at that. Like, look at that. Yes. Okay, let's not get too crazy. I want to clean up the glitter off of my eyelashes. Oh, no. Also, I forgot to mention. What? Want to take a picture of me?
Yeah.